Hi, good day. Basically going to make a quick video here using Terminal to upload an application straight to GitHub. So the terminal is on Mac, so it's quite useful. Use Windows now and again, so I'm just quickly using the terminal to CD into my notebooks. It's a notebook project to do with house data. So once I've CD'd in there, I'm just basically just checking the restrictions on the files inside it. So I think the file we're going to upload is Ealing. So I'm going to try and set up GitHub. So if we go across to GitHub here and we make up a new repository. So I'm going to call this Land Registry. It's quite a cool little application. So there we go. Once I've got that open, I'm going to have to publicize it. I'll give it a quick description. So this one's to do with the land registry data for sales of property in the UK. So basically you can use the geolocation map data from Google, put a postcode in, and then quickly sort through it, and it spits out all the longitude and latitude, which is pretty good if you want to populate a Google map. Okay, so once we've done that, we'll create the repository. Once that's created, we'll head back over to the terminal. I'll just grab that and put that on a sticky. That's just the URL. We're going to need that in a second. And then we go across to the terminal, initialize Git inside the local repository, so inside of the folder. Once that's done, we're going to try and push it straight up, really. That's it. So git remote add origin and then the URL which we got before. Okay, so the land registry repository. So we're going to push that already up. Okay, so it already exists because I've already done it, obviously. I'll just show you what you should do. Git push, and then you can just put origin main. Okay, it's failed because it's already up, obviously. And so all I need to do is just push, check on the status of the project, and you can see everything in red there. It hasn't been added, so I use git add and then the little dot, the full stop to add it all, and then git commit. Basically the git commit -m just gives me the commentary section. So I push that all the way up. Let's have a go at making a readme file. So here we are, just type touch and then better put it readme.md so that it's able to be processed in GitHub itself. So then once we've made that file, there you can see it, readme.md is now inside of the repository. Let's just commit all of that once again. Once it's all been committed, you can just see it gone green at the bottom of the screen, readme.md. Now we're just going to push it. So git push, and hopefully, yep, you can see git push there. It's all pushed up to the project. So I'll just refresh this screen, and hopefully, if we can just refresh that, it should be done. There we go, and there it is. Maybe just have a quick go at just editing that. So if I type vi readme, that will just bring up that file quickly. So there's different ways of editing files. So there it is, all saved. Basically, if I do that one more time, and I'll just quickly do some changes. So let's upload that readme file again, write something new over the top of it. Here we go, I'll just put something like, let's use this data to make some money or something strange like that. And then to quit out of it, it's a bit weird. You press escape and the colon and WQ, and then that will quit you out of it and save the changes. That takes a while to get used to that. So then once that's done, obviously we'll just check it. Yeah, it looks like that's saved. So after doing that, we'll just quickly add the readme file, so git add readme, just in case it isn't. Otherwise, just put git add and the full stop once again, and that adds all of the changes that you've made. You see how it's in red at the moment. And then we're going to have to commit it. Once that's committed, then we'll refresh here and hopefully it should appear. Yeah, there it is. See, it's suddenly updated. So that's how we use the repository. I hope that's helped.